What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming back with another video. Hey y'all, don't y'all hate this right here? See this right here? Don't y'all hate this? How that won't stay up right there? Look at that, man. It won't stay up. You know, sometimes when you ride, you be wanting to stick your hand in there. Hey, but I got a solution for that, man. And we're gonna get into it right after this. So y'all, we're back, y'all. So yeah, man, I hate this right here. I was watching one of my dudes, like I say, Mr. Extra Video, and he got a solution for this. You know, you just hate that coming down. Just come down, it don't stay up no time at all. But I got a part for you, man, right here by hog wire, y'all. Check that out right here. It's just two little black pieces right here, and you got the alcohol pads in here as well. And you can see it on the back here. And you also gonna see where it's gonna stick at right there. Now let me show you where it's gonna stick at. We're gonna clean the pad, clean this off right here. This little part right here, we're gonna clean it. And then we're gonna stick this on there and it should keep that up. So y'all, it's just 3M tape on here on the back. So it's a really easy installation that you can do yourself. So hey, let's get to it. And I just took the top off right here. I didn't know this had the way to do it in here. You can see that right there and how it is in here. So it's got instructions, man. So yeah, so let's get it done, y'all. .3M tape, like I said. And it's done dried up, and we just gonna try to find a spot to stick this boy. And it's kind of curved too, so it curves with that. So yeah, look at that. Wow. So just hold it on there for a little while. Make sure it stick really good. It's got a little bend with it, so it goes with the curve right here as well. So yeah, and check this out. Up, down. Hey man, hey, that's worth getting right there, man. Just from hog wire, y'all. Y'all check them out. I'll put a link down in the description. Make sure you go check them out, man, and get you one of these. This is from 2015 up to 2023 bikes, y'all. So hey, man, we're gonna get to it, man. Hey, I love y'all, man. I just want to show you this little part because some of you might want to get this little part right here and invest in it. And I think it's well worth it to keep this up like this, man. So y'all, yeah, man, really nice. So y'all, we're gonna end this video right here. Until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day. And oh yeah, check this out right here. Check out that tank badge right there. Yeah, y'all see the small red pieces? Yeah, that's what we got, man. That's what we got going on. Hey, but y'all, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Had a blessed one. I'm out. Peace. 1, 2, 3. We rolling.